In simple terms, vidIQ is like your YouTube sidekick. It helps you get more views, subscribers, and money from your videos. Now, before we start, you need to have vidIQ installed on your computer. It's very easy. Just go to the link in the description and sign up for a free account. Then, you need to download the vidIQ Chrome extension, which will add a lot of useful information and options to your YouTube interface. Don't worry, it's safe and secure, and it will only access your YouTube data to give you personalized recommendations and insights. Once you have vidIQ installed, you will see a new icon on your browser, which you can click to access the vidIQ dashboard. This is where you can see all the data and analytics about your channel, your videos, your competitors, and your audience. You can also use the vidIQ tools to do keyword research, SEO optimization, thumbnail analysis, and much more. One of the most important things you need to do to get more views is to rank higher in YouTube search. This means that when people search for a topic related to your niche, your videos will show up on the first page of the results. To do this, you need to find keywords that have high demand and low competition. In other words, you need to find topics that a lot of people are searching for, but not many videos are covering. How do you find these keywords? Well, vidIQ has a great feature called the Keyword Tool, which you can access from the dashboard or from the vidIQ icon on your browser. The Keyword Tool will help you discover the best keywords for your niche and your videos. Let me show you how it works. First, you need to think of a word or a phrase that summarizes your niche or your video topic. For example, if your channel is about Midjourney, which is an AI image generator, you can use Midjourney as your main keyword. This is called your root keyword, and it will help you find more specific and relevant keywords. Next, you need to type your root keyword in the Keyword Tool and hit Enter. You will see a page that looks like this, with a lot of information and numbers. Don't worry, I will explain what they mean. The first thing you will see is the overall score of your keyword, which is a number from 0 to 100. The higher the score, the better the keyword. The score is based on two factors, the volume and the competition. The volume is the number of monthly searches for that keyword on YouTube, and the competition is the number of videos that are already ranking for that keyword. Ideally, you want to find keywords that have high volume and low competition, which means that there is a lot of demand and not much supply. For example, Midjourney has a score of 74, which is pretty good, because it has a volume of 2.2 million searches per month and a competition of 34, which is relatively low. However, this keyword might still be too broad and generic for a small channel to rank for, because there are still a lot of videos that are covering this topic. A good way to find more specific and targeted keywords for your videos is to look at the Related Keywords section of the vidIQ Keyword Tool. This section will show you keywords that are related to your main keyword, but are more descriptive and less competitive. These keywords are called long-tail keywords, and they can help you reach a more interested and engaged audience. For instance, if your main keyword is Midjourney, which is an AI image generator, some of the long-tail keywords that you can use are Midjourney tutorial, which teaches people how to use Midjourney to create amazing images. This keyword has a score of 79, which means it has a high demand and a low competition. It has a volume of 22,000 searches per month and a competition of 19, which means there are not many videos that cover this topic. Midjourney anime, which shows people how to use Midjourney to create anime-style images. This keyword has a score of 76, which is also very good. It has a volume of 18,000 searches per month and a competition of 23, which is slightly higher than the previous keyword, but still low enough to rank for. Midjourney face, which shows people how to use Midjourney to generate realistic faces. This keyword has a score of 75, which is still decent. It has a volume of 16,000 searches per month and a competition of 25, which is the highest among the three keywords, but still manageable. These are some examples of long-tail keywords that you can use for your videos, and you can find more by using the vidIQ Keyword Tool. These keywords are much more specific and less competitive than Midjourney, and they can help you reach a more targeted and interested audience. You can also see the trends of these keywords, which show you how the popularity of these keywords changes over time. You want to find keywords that have a stable or increasing trend, which means that they are not losing interest or becoming outdated. You can also use the filters to narrow down your results and find the best keywords for your channel and your goals. You can filter by score, volume, competition, trend, and more. You can also sort the results by different criteria, such as relevance, score, volume, or competition. Once you find a keyword that you like, you can click on it to see more details and insights, such as the top-ranking videos for that keyword, the average views, likes, comments, and subscribers of those videos, the tags that they use, and the keywords that they rank for. You can also see the search results page for that keyword and how your video would look like if you rank for it. You can use this information to analyze your competitors and see what they are doing well and what they are missing so you can create a better video and outrank them. You can also use the vidIQ tools to optimize your video title, description, tags, and thumbnail to make sure that they match your keyword and that they are appealing and engaging for your viewers. I will show you how to do that in the next video, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload it. And that's how you use the vidIQ keyword tool to find the best keywords for your videos and get more views. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you haven't installed vidIQ yet, you can use the link in the description to get it for free. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.